How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. My name is Shannon and this is Shannon's Garage. So as you can see behind me, on today's episode we're going to give you a guided tour around the Jayco Hawk Outback. The family and I just purchased this to go camping. We are heading out in a little while to go to places like BCF, four-wheel drive super center, Anaconda, to have a look and get some ideas of the kind of stuff we're going to need to fill this thing out. But stay tuned. Okay, so here we are at the front of BCF. Boating, camping, fishing. Just here to pick up some stuff for the camper trailer. We're going to head to Anaconda after this, and then Super Cheap. Getting it all loaded up so that way we can take the old camper out on its first trip. Stay tuned, we'll take you along with us. Alright, well, been a productive day so far. We're now at Anaconda. We've been to BCF. We've been to some fishing shop, which was odd. Been to Super Cheap Auto Centre as well, so this should be the last stop for today, or maybe ARB. We'll see how we go, but stay tuned. We'll give you a quick tour of the inside of the shop. Well, that was a nice little adventure to the four-wheel drive camping destinations of Australia. As you can see by the few packages we've got in the back, we got a couple of things that we need for the new camper trailer, but there's still a lot more to go. So we're on our way home now. We're going to go back, we're going to set the camper up, open it all out, see what we actually need, write down a list, and then go back to those shops on a later date and get everything we need to go camping. So stay tuned and get it going. So there she is. She's all nice and washed and scrubbed down, front to back, top to bottom. So now we start undoing all the awnings and we get her all opened up, have a look at the inside, and give it a clean up in there before we get her ready to take out. So yeah, I'm gonna put you on time lapse again. And you can see just how easy these things are to assemble and to get them up, and away we go from there. All right, let's get it done. All right, guys, so there you have it. I got a bit bored, and instead of ending the video, I decided to put the annex up. So it's not completely tied down, but a good way to end this episode is to give you a really good look of how the outside of this old girl looks. Okay, guys, well, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. It's been a long day. Took me a fair bit longer to set up this camper trailer than what I thought it was going to. But in saying that, it is the first time I've had one of these. So I am still learning how to set it all up. But it is all nice and clean. And it's ready for its first trip. The LED lights are working in it just fine. The gas oven and stove is working fine. I did manage to get the fridge up and running as well. So the fridge is working now. It's just cooling down. Not a massive fridge, but it's definitely big enough for a 6-pack, which is what I want. As you can see, we've got the beds and everything all the way around us. The annex outside is just the roof at this stage. I do have the entire setup to complete the annex. So I've got the flooring, the side walls. There are a bunch of extra poles and stuff like that I've got to put in yet. But otherwise, everything in this camper is now ready to go. We're going to get inside over the next few days and give the interior a good clean. Going to air it right out. This thing hasn't been open for a while, so yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Something a little bit different to what I'm used to doing. But I was pretty excited when I got the camper, so I thought I'd take you guys along for the ride with me. I will be heading back to all those places that I went to today and absolutely loading up on camping gear for when we do finally decide to go out camping in it. So if you like this content, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and remember, stay cool.